All right, here we are doing a fence project, and we're replacing all this fence here. And then my son is going to explain. So what's going on, Austin?
So here for this customer, we're installing a 8-foot tall fence. The way it's going to be built is we're going to have a 2-foot stone wall on the bottom, and then we're going to have a 6-foot tall fence on top of that.
Right.
And we're doing a 6-foot side-by-side treated pine fence, pre-stained. So we're basically doing that for the whole property. The only part that's going to deviate a little bit is on this side. We're at the bottom, we're going to have it, the wall's going to be 2-foot tall, and at the top of the driveway, the wall's going to be 1 foot tall.
Okay.
That way we can get everything level on that side.
Okay.
And then also on the gates, we're going to have a little concrete footer at the bottom of the gate.
Okay.
Because one of the biggest things this customer had a concern about was she didn't want any part of the fence touching the ground at all.
Okay.
Or above dirt at all.
Right.
She didn't want any of that. So that's how we're going to do that. We're going to do, she wants a 2-foot wall everywhere, plus a concrete footer at all the gates.
Okay. All right.